I get a chance, I'll start living in the airplane. CIA gave me wings to fly. This is a dream job. It's like a dream come true. And I've been dreaming for it since I was a little baby. My parents' reaction, actually they always knew it, that I want to become a pilot. But I never asked them and they never showed it to me that okay. But yes, once I showed them my will, my father took me to flying school and I joined. Right away, I was so lucky that the day I got my CPL, right away there was an advertisement going on by PIA, so I applied. I appeared in the original exam and my name was there in the list. That's how I joined. What I always struggle with is my Quran part. I cannot just do any personal modification in the cockpit. All the aircraft, they have standard cockpits and our SOPs and our all the crew manuals. They are standards, so we cannot bring any change into it. But once you've landed and you've got nothing else to do and you're coming out of, you just make sure that everything is secure. No, not even when the aircraft is like it's on autopilot. You cannot take a nap. We are trained for in case like one crew member incapacitates, the other one can land the airplane safely. But it doesn't mean that you're allowed to take a nap in the cockpit. No, all the pilots, I guess, in PI especially, they are always alert in the cockpit. एक दफ़ा एक आंटी थी, वो डर गई थी देखकर मुझे कि I was going Bahalpur that time. I was flying ATR. तो उन्होंने कहा कि ये तो लड़की जा रही है. But after landing, वो मेरे पास आई. उन्होंने कहा मैंने पायलट से मिलना है. The time I did my announcement and everything. तो उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा कि I want to meet her. फिर उन्होंने मेरे साथ पिक्चर्स ली, बड़ी दुआएं दी. उन्होंने कहा कि इतना अच्छा तुमने जहाज उड़ाया और पहले तो मैं बहुत डर रही थी, लेकिन अब मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है. तो फिर उन्हें बताया मैंने कि I'm from Kashmir. She was the only person I've ever met जो कि मुझसे डर गए थे. Funny part कि जब ईद थी और मैं अपनी वेकेशंस पे थी, I received a call from office कि it's a flight and you have to do it. जब मैं फ्लाइट पे गई तो मैंने तब तक वेकेशन के हिसाब से मेहंदी लगाई हुई थी और ईद की तैयारी की हुई थी. और मैं पूरे एयरपोर्ट क्रॉस करके गई. एवरीबडी वाज टर्निंग देयर नेक्स और एक पायलट जा रही है वो मेहंदी वाली. और सबसे ज़्यादा तो इट वाज सो फनी व्हेन कैप्टन वाज सिटिंग राइट नेक्स्ट टू मी और आई वाज डूइंग माय चेक्स विद ऑल लाइक हिना टैटूज ऑन. सो दैट वाज द मोस्ट फनी पार्ट. मेरी हॉबीज है कार रेसिंग. I love to ride bikes. I've been riding Harley Davidson and Hayabusa. And other than this, I love to cook. I love to make paintings. And what else? I love to do fashion designing. I love to design jewelry. If I get time. All the parents should be motivating their girls, especially their daughters, because in our society, it's our parents who make the girls that you are not supposed to go out. So they should not be telling this to the girls. They should be motivating and they should bring the best out in their girls. So, and the girls, they should believe in themselves. They should dream big and they must learn how to achieve it. So that is my message for all the females. That they can do it. There's no point that he can do it or she cannot do it or she can do it or he cannot do it. So it's a message that especially for the girls that they can do it. It's the best profession for girls as far as I know up till now.